Hello friends, welcome to Continental Desi Kitchen. Well, in today's video we're going to see a very delicious mushroom recipe, which is creamy garlic mushroom, which can be enjoyed with herb rice, garlic bread, spaghetti or pasta. So friends, let's get started with this yummy and creamy mushroom recipe. So first we need to clean and wash the mushrooms, and then we will slice them into half like this. The bigger ones you can slice into further half. Now transfer these to a bowl. Now for this recipe you will need lots and lots of garlic. I have used here 15 small to medium sized garlic pods. And now with the help of a garlic crusher, we will mince the garlic pods as it's easier to do so. But if you don't have a garlic crusher, you can finely chop them. So in this way I will mince all the garlic pods. So our minced garlic is ready. Also you will need some finely chopped parsley. And now we shall start with the cooking process. For that, heat a pan and drizzle around 1.5 teaspoon of olive oil. And when the pan is hot, add the sliced mushroom. And we will saute them until they turn golden brown in color. This will take about 4 to 5 minutes. So by now the mushrooms are golden brown. And at this stage I will add a cube of butter to give a buttery flavor to our creamy garlic mushrooms. And as the butter melts, we will add the minced garlic. And on medium flame, we will saute the garlic until they turn deep golden in color. At this stage you will get a nice aroma of fried garlic in butter. And now I will quickly season it with 1/4 teaspoon of salt or as per taste and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Give this a quick stir. And now I'm going to add around 300 ml of chicken stock. If you want, you can also add vegetable stock. Now give this a mix. Next goes 250 ml of heavy cream. Mix this well. And now I'm going to season the creamy sauce with 1 teaspoon of mixed herbs, a pinch of salt for taste, a pinch of black pepper, and the chopped parsley. Give this a mix again. And now we need to simmer the mushrooms in this creamy garlic sauce for just 2 minutes. In the process, this sauce will also thicken and will allow the mushroom to absorb all the flavors of the creamy garlic sauce. And friends, our creamy garlic mushroom is now ready to be served hot. And here goes our hot and yummy creamy garlic mushroom in the serving bowl. You can enjoy this delicious mushroom recipe with herb rice, garlic bread, spaghetti or pasta. I will sprinkle some more mixed herbs on top and garnish with chopped parsley. So friends, I hope you will try this yummy mushroom recipe very soon. Also do share your feedbacks, and if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please do so for more interesting and yummy recipes in future. See you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care and stay safe.